Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. For this one we'll be covering the stock AMD into very high detail and kinda see where this stock will be heading in the future. So as of January 2016 it was priced at $5.66 per share. Throughout the 2016 year at 100% increase all the way up to 1260, around the 1260 range, and it's been kind of fluctuating the supports and resistances where it's now currently priced at the 1250 range. Based on the RSI relative strength index, it's been on the oversold side currently. There's a very high possibility that will bounce back up to the 70 to 80 RSI, based on the news and where the overall stock will be heading with the release of Vegas and partnerships with other companies such as Apple. So right now it's kind of on a dip, and it may be a great opportunity to buy into this stock, especially with the price compared to the competitors. It's at a very low price right now, I would say, and comparing it with like other companies such as NVDA, which is priced at around 160, 150 range, and constantly increasing on a very consistent scale. If we go to look at the 1 month period, it's been plateauing out around the $12 range with highs of around $15. If we look at the day here, 1565. This is also a very good stock to short sell. So there's a lot of potential to win money on both sides of the upswing and the downswing, as you can see here with this. So you can buy into the stock here, you gain, was that couple percentages, and then you can short sale down to gain another 16%, and then buy back in to receive another 16%, and this process can be repeated throughout consistently, as indicated by just the way this stock has been playing out. So consistent upswings followed by a downswing. It's mostly occurs within just a couple of days or weeks where you can have this opportunity to buy and sell and short sell consistently and make money on both sides of the stock, which is very good if you can understand the history of how this stock has been. We look at the 6 month period here, we can see support levels dipping all the way to around the 9.7 range, which is very consistent. We can see it hits once, twice consistently, and that's like the furthest it's dropped in the recent trading periods. Recently it's been consistently gaining, followed by lower followed by a higher support levels throughout. So here it'll be at almost $11. Here's $11.50. You know, before that it was at $12.50, and it consistently plays out. Currently we're on a larger dip than it usually than what this stock usually presents or shows itself. So right now it's at 1180, which is at a lower end, and it broke the previous support around the 1250 range. So this can be a great indication that it's oversold, right? And it may bounce back up to, most likely will bounce back up to the $13 to $15 ranges indicated by here, right? So my analysis of this stock is that it's currently oversold. People have been short selling this stock like crazy. It's been dropping and it's currently on a dip. So this may be a great opportunity to buy back in to raise the price of the share. And we can also understand that this is a very strong company currently with all these new releases and just the price of the products that's what just sold in the current market. They also have a new leadership with new CEO Lisa Su, and they've been turning around this company to make money for the investors. We look at the year-to-date range once again. This shows that it's oversold, currently on a dip, and it's most likely that it will bounce back up, as seen previously with the RSI. So yeah, I would say this is a very strong stock to buy into, and will most likely increase with the other tech companies. And another thing is that this is a very low price stock, so you can pick up many shares if you don't have a lot of equity to invest to buy stocks, and can be a very good opportunity for newer investors and people with not as much capital currently holding in cash. So yeah, I would say it's looking very strong. In the previous day it was on a green, increase by around 2%, I believe. Around 2%. And I can see this going far and increasing even further into the future. If we also look at the previous EPS, it beat the predictions by quite a bit, and it's been dipping for some odd reason with the other tech companies, and this just ultimately shows that it's a very good opportunity to buy back into the stock and wait for the upswing to essentially earn a lot of money. What's this here? So from the upswing started from February 2016 to today, right? So at the start of February 2016, it's been consistently rising with very little red days present. As we can see here, there's only what, 1, 2, 3, maybe like single digit red candlesticks, which is very good and shows that it is a very bullish stock within the past year. Recently it's been kind of dipping, well, presenting dips, and people are starting to short sell it and buy back into it. So we can see the green candlesticks versus the red. Currently it's on a red right now, and will most likely present another green set of green candlesticks, basically gaining in shares, gaining in the price per share, I'm sorry. Let's see, we look at the overall in the 3-year window, we can see that from the RSI that it's being sold off quite a bit. We also see that there's a couple of peaks where it presents, you know, the overbought areas starting from April 2016 to March 2017. So within the year it's been consistently bought into. If we look at the volume, it's been gradually increasing, and it's a very attention heavy stock, as we can see by the volumes, and I can see a very good opportunity to buy into this right now and bounce back up to the $15 range from the $12 range. So that's a $3 increase, which is huge depending on how much you can buy into this company. So yeah, that is my analysis of advanced micro devices. I hope you guys learned something with this video, and we'll see how this all plays out going into the next couple of months. But I believe it will bounce back up to the 15 and even break that resistance to even maybe around the $18 to $20 range very soon. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you like, please leave a like and subscribe to be updated on my future releases of stock analysis and news. And once again, happy trading everyone, and stay in the green. Thank you all, and stay tuned for my next video.